How to fix screen going black while playing games on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop your screen from going black while gaming on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is check for updates. So all you need to do is head over to your settings first. After you're on your settings, simply go on the bottom here, you will see Windows Update option. Check for any updates available, and if you find an update available, tap on download and install. After you install the latest version, your problem should get fixed. If it does not get fixed, what you'll need to do is head over to your control panel. And after you're on your control panel, you should see the device manager option. Tap on it. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to display adapters. And the first thing you can do is update your driver. Tap on update driver, choose whichever one fits you the best. That is, if you have any other driver, you can install, just tap on browse my computer for drivers, or else the Windows will search for your computer for the best available driver and install it themselves. So choose whichever one works for you and then update it. And check if the problem persists. If the problem is solved, good for you. If it does not get solved, the next thing that you can try is again head over here, tap on uninstall device, and then after you uninstall the device, reinstall it. Now Microsoft will automatically try to reinstall the drivers, so just wait for a few time and then they will install it. And that is how you fix the problem, guys. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.